Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. I'm doing a world coin hunt today and I've designated this coin hunt World Coin Hunt 36. We start with a Greek coin from 1962. It has a portrait on this side and this is of the Greek King Paul I. You also have the year. On the reverse of the coin you have the Greek flag in inside a shield. You also have the coat of arms of the country, and you also have the year. Sorry, the value. This 1962 coin has a mintage of 20,060,000. The second coin is from Singapore. It's a 5-cent coin from 2003. On this side you have the coat of arms, the name of the country and the year. On the reverse side you have the value written, you have the value in pneumatic form, and you have 3 salad leaves. I believe it's from the fruit salad plant. The mintage for this 2003 coin is 35,930,000. This next one I can tell you is from somewhere between 1862 and 1867. It's Vittorio Emanuele II from Italy. It's a 10C coin. Now I could give you the mintage of each of the values, however if we look on the reverse you can see a lot of it has been worn away, including the year. So rather than read you out a list of 5 years with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 7 different variations of mintages, because I can't identify the one that it actually is, I won't bother giving you a mintage because it could be inaccurate, and I don't want to be inaccurate if I can help it. The next coin we have is from France, and it is a coin from the Napoleon III era, which was 1856. You have Napoleon III's portrait on the front of the coin along with the country name. On the reverse you have the French Empire eagle and the value. Now this coin is from 1856, however I can't decipher a mint mark, and there's about 8 or 9 possible different mint marks, so again I would love to be able to give you the mintage, but unfortunately I'm not able to. This next coin is a 5-all coin from Norway. On this side, which is the reverse, you have the value and the year. It's from 1935, and on the obverse you have a monogram which is crowned, and it's from Hakon the 7th. That's Haakon. This 1935 coin has a mintage of 496,000. So it's quite a low mintage coin. Here we go, here's the coin. It's the 25 cents coin from Belgium. We have on the front we have a crowned monogram of Albert I. It is from 1929, so it's interwar. And on the reverse you have the value plus the leaves stems. The mintage for this coin is 8,980,000. Next we have another French Empire coin This is a 10 centime from 1855. Again, it's Napoleon III. We have a clearer French eagle on the back of this one, and we have the value. However, again, it would depend on the mint mark to the actual mintage of the coin, and I can't find where the mint mark is on this one, so unfortunately I don't have any mintage figures for you. Here we go. This is Denmark. It's a 2-world coin, and it's got a crown monogram of Frederick IX. It also has the year of 1955. On the reverse of the coin, you have the value, and you have the country. The mintage for this coin is 6,968,484. Belgian 1 franc, 1942. I have two 1 franc coins here from the interwar years, from both of them 1942. The zinc in manufacture. One, you have the country. Oops, get that the right way up. Helps if you get them the right way around, Steve. One here is you have the rampant lion from Belgium, with also which also has the country on it. Then on the back you have the value and a crowned plus the year. The value which is crowned plus the year. The mintage for both of these 1942 coins is 42 million. Next we have 10 centimes from France. Is that the one? There you go, stuff size. This is from 1941, so it is a occupation coin. It is, on this side you have the studs font size, and you have the wheat sheaths. On this side you have the value above the hole, you have the country, and you have the oak leaves. The mintage for this coin is 235,875,200. So that one was minted during the German occupation. Belgian 5 cent now. Belgian 5 cent. This one has the rampant lion on the front. And it has, on the rear you have the year, the value, and the country name. The mintage for this 1916 coin is 45,464,000. It was minted during the German occupation during the First World War. Right, Belgian 1 franc. We have a Belgian 1 franc coin from 1923. The obverse has a lady kneeling with the name of the country. On the reverse we have the medical symbol, and we have the year and the value. This 1923 coin has a mintage of 22,500,000. This is a coin from Albania. It's a 10 lek from 1996. On this side we have the value plus the olive stem. This is the reverse of the coin. The obverse shows you a monastery, which is Berot Castle. It's not actually a monastery, it's actually a castle. It's Berot Castle, that's B-E-R, and then I can't make out whether it's an O or an A-T, so it's either Berot or Berat Castle. This 1996 coin from Albania has no mintage figure available. It's believed to be a common mintage. This is a Spanish one peseta from 1944. At least I believe this is the one peseta from 1944. Or is that it? No, that's it. Sorry, my fault. This is it. This is the one peseta. This side shows the coat of arms. It's from 1944. On the rear you have the value, and on this side you have the value plus a patination, very much like the Moroccan type of influence. This 1944 coin had a mintage of 150 million. Here we have another coin from Belgium. This is 50 cents from 1922. It has a lady kneeling, and then on the reverse you have the value either side of the medical symbol, and you have the year. The mintage for this 1922 coin is 6,180,000. Next coin is from Netherlands, and it shows Queen Wilhelmina and has the name of the country on the obverse side. It's a coin from 1948, so just after the Second World War. And then on the rear you have a value. Then on the top here, this is actually an orange branch, and the reason for that with the berries is that, of course, that the Royal House of the Netherlands is orange, the House of Orange. The value of this 1948 coin is 23,600,000. The penultimate coin is this one here. This is a crowned monogram coin of Gustav V from 1950. You have a crown monogram on this side, and then on the reverse you have the three crowns of Sweden, which is the Swedish coat of arms, plus the value. This coin was minted in 1950 and has a mintage of 13,322,500. And this last one is a 1 peseta coin and has General Franco on the front. So it's from Spain, it's a 1 peseta coin. You do have the year of 1947. However, on the back you don't have a star, or you do have a star, but you can't make out the information in it. So we're not sure if this is a 1947 or one of the coins during that mint run. So I can't give you a precise mintage on this coin. I'd like to thank you for staying to the end of the hunt. If you have not already done so, can you please think about subscribing? And if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Neither of those actions will cost you anything, and it will help my channel out greatly. I am looking to try and get to 100 subs by Christmas this year, so hopefully you, if you haven't yet subscribed and you do so, you will help me to attain that target. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get those coins for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. And until we meet up again on this channel, thank you for watching, and from me, bye bye now. Ta-da!